They sent a round once.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Texas Emergency Management Agency at 5:58 p.m. Central Standard Time. A plane headed from the Pensacola International Airport in Pensacola, Florida, to Southwest Airlines at the Indianapolis International Airport in Indianapolis, Indiana, crashed over Elaine Lane in Richardson, Texas, during an attempt to try to land in Dallas for a layover. The crash has killed 9 passengers and 12 civilians that have been confirmed so far. However, this is not all. At least 5 minutes after the crash, at 6:03 p.m., it was confirmed that there was a secondary plane on schedule that has gone missing over Fort Worth. It has been confirmed that said plane is headed for the Comanche Peak nuclear power plant, located near Glen Rose, Texas. There is a chance that if the plane crashes into the plant, there will be a chance of a meltdown. If this is true, you are advised to go into a fallout bunker immediately. Please stay tuned to this station for more information. For all residents within a 10-mile radius of the Comanche Peak nuclear power plant, located in Glen Rose, Texas. A very serious situation is occurring at the Comanche Peak nuclear power plant, which is harmful to nearby residents. As a precaution, all residents within a 10-mile radius of the Comanche Peak nuclear power plant are required to evacuate from the area at this time. An immediate threat to the public is anticipated. Before evacuating, turn off all appliances, faucets, and lights. Turn off all conditioning units and fans in your home. If you want to seek shelter instead of evacuating, lock all windows and doors, and gather up all the people in your home to seek shelter. Do not attempt to pick up relatives or children from your local schools, hospitals, or nursing homes. These places will have their own safety precautions. Before evacuating, tie a towel to your mailbox or another visible location located outside of your house. This will let emergency management know that you have left the area. If you have friends or family that live outside the evacuation area or the Dallas-Fort Worth geographical metropolitan area, you are strongly encouraged to stay with them until the threat is over. Otherwise, seek shelter at one of the following care center locations: in Bosa County, Meridian High School; in Hood County, Taylor High School and Toro Junior High School; and in Johnson County, New Horizon High School. These care centers will not accept any pets, except for guide dogs in the case that you are a blind person. If you have any other pets, make sure they stay at home for the time being in the case you are going to one of the care centers. If you do not have any formal transportation, call the following numbers for assistance. In Bosa County, 25444352268. In Hood County, 86644299771. And in Johnson County, 866913180. If your evacuation method is driving, use only one vehicle and follow the most accurate evacuation route. Repeating, this evacuation should take place immediately. There is a direct threat to the public as of right now. Stay calm and evacuate in a speedy but safe manner for the people you are taking with you and others on the